Hello, Unlock English family. Welcome back to the podcast. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to have you here.
Charlotte, I have a confession. I am terrible at something.
What is it, Leo? Cooking? Dancing?
No, I have zero sense of direction. If I go to a new city, I get lost immediately.
Oh no! Getting lost is scary. You feel alone, you don't know where to go.
Exactly. And asking for help in English, that is even scarier.
Well, Leo, today is your lucky day. Today's episode is giving directions in a simple city.
Yes, we are going to build a map in our heads. We will teach you the simple words to move from point A to point B.
We will learn the imperative verbs. These are strong words like go, turn, and stop.
By the end of this episode, you will be the GPS for your friends.
Let's unlock your English.
Okay, Charlotte, imagine we are in a simple city. We are standing outside the train station.
Okay, I have the map. You do not have the map. I need to tell you where to go.
This is a challenge. Okay, listeners, imagine you are with me. We are ready to walk. What is the first thing I do?
The most common instruction is to move forward.
The phrase is go straight on.
Go straight on.
This is an imperative. That means it is a command. We do not say you go. We just say go. Straight means in a line. Do not turn, just walk forward.
Simple. Go straight on down Main Street. Go straight on for 2 blocks.
Listeners, imagine the road in front of you. Point your finger forward. Repeat after me. Go straight on.
One more time. Go straight on.
Okay, I am walking straight, but now I see a street on my side. I need to change direction.
Correct. You need to turn. But which way? Left or right?
The phrase is turn left or turn right.
Turn left, turn right.
This is vital. Left is the side where your heart is. Right is the other side.
I use a trick. If I hold up my thumb and index finger on my left hand, it makes an L. L for left.
That is a great trick. Turn left at the bank, turn right at the cinema.
Listeners, hold up your hands. Make the L with your left hand. Now repeat. Turn left.
Now the other hand. Turn right.
Okay, I am walking. Go straight on. Then turn left. But Charlotte, usually we turn at a specific place, a special place with colors.
Ah, yes, the red, yellow, and green lights.
The phrase is traffic lights.
Traffic lights.
These are the signals that control the cars. Red means stop, green means go. It is a very common landmark or point of reference. Turn right at the traffic lights. Stop at the traffic lights.
Listeners, visualize the colors. Red, yellow, green. Repeat. Traffic lights.
Again, turn left at the traffic lights.
Okay, Charlotte, let's play a game. The information gap game.
Okay.
I am at the traffic lights. Where's the supermarket? I cannot see it.
The supermarket is close to the bank, but we need a preposition to describe the position.
The phrase is next to.
Next to.
This means at the side of. They are neighbors, shoulder to shoulder. The supermarket is next to the bank. My house is next to the park.
Listeners, put your hands together, side by side. Repeat. Next to.
The bank is next to the bakery.
Great. Now, Leo, imagine a different type of road. It is not a cross, it is a circle. Cars go around and around.
Oh, I know this one. It is very common in Europe and the UK.
The word is roundabout.
Roundabout.
It is a circular intersection. You enter, you go around, and you exit. Go around the roundabout. Take the second exit at the roundabout.
Listeners, make a circle with your finger, round and round. Repeat, roundabout.
Okay, one more word. This is for the people driving cars. Sometimes you are lost and you need to stop the car to look at the map.
You can't just stop in the middle of the road. You need a phrasal verb.
The phrase is pull over.
Pull over.
This means to move the car to the side of the road and stop safely. I need to pull over to check the map. The police asked him to pull over.
Listeners, imagine driving. Turn the wheel to the side and stop. Repeat, pull over. Okay, Charlotte, we have our vocabulary. Now, let's do the map challenge.
Are you ready?
Yes. Listeners, close your eyes. If you're not driving, imagine you are at the train station. Charlotte will tell us how to get to the cinema.
Okay. Listen carefully. Use the words we learned. First, go straight on. Walk past the school. At the traffic lights, turn right. Go straight. The cinema is next to the pizza shop.
Did you get that? Let's try one more. From the cinema to the park.
Start at the cinema. Go straight on to the roundabout. At the roundabout, turn left. Take the first exit. Pull over if you are driving. The park is on your left.
Wow, I can see it in my head. First, straight, then the roundabout. I am there.
See? It's like a puzzle. You just follow the pieces step by step.
We navigated the city today. Let's review our map.
Here are your 6 key phrases for directions. To move forward, go straight on. To change direction, turn left, turn right. The signal with colors, traffic lights. When 2 buildings are neighbors, next to. The circular road, roundabout. To stop your car on the side, pull over.
Simple and effective. Charlotte, do we have a motivational quote for today?
Yes, this quote is about the journey. The quote is, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step."
Oh, a classic. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
It means, don't worry if the destination is far. Don't worry if English is difficult. Just take the first step. Learn the first word.
And then the next step. And then go straight on.
Exactly.
Listeners, your homework. Try to write directions from your house to the nearest supermarket. Use turn left, turn right, and next to.
You can do it. Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Subscribe, share with your friends, and see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.